Yes, it is after 8 o'clock, I believe, and this is what I saw when I opened the door.
8 o'clock sharp.
It is very, very snowy. Look at that. You missed it. Oh my God, you missed it. Look at that. Well, Mom's going to have a conniption over this, but can't do anything about it. See, look at all that snow. Oh my goodness.
I'm trying to look, but it keeps hitting me in the eyes.
Now, we put those two things out so they can collect snow. And once they're full, and I mean full, we're going to lay blankets down in the kitchen. Well, towels, actually. And we're going to let the ferrets play in it, because I watched a video of ferrets playing in buckets of snow, and oh my goodness, it was so funny. They loved it. So I will video record it and let you look so that you can see what it looked like. But anyway, look at this. It's so beautiful. Oh my gosh, you missed it all. And apparently it's been snowing for a while tonight, and I didn't even know because I did not look out my door. And the flakes are getting bigger. It's really fine, dry snow at a very fast pace. John calls it a blizzard. I don't think it's a blizzard, but it's snowy. And I gotta close the door. I'm cold. So, here's me signing off. Love ya. Bye.